How to change TikTok username. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the TikTok username, here is the process to do so. First and foremost, make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. After that, head over to your TikTok app. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile option from this profile page. Tapping on Edit Profile should take you to this page from where you can change the details about yourself. Tap on the username section. After that, you will be able to change the username. Keep in mind, usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and full stops. Changing your username will also change your profile link. Now that you have changed your name, tap on Save and Confirm. Make sure that you cannot change your username for the next 30 days as it can be changed in once in every 30 days. Now that this is done, your username is changed and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.